Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. We just beat Chippa United 3-0. I'm with Nengo Mashi to analyze the game. Nengo Mnani Tana.
Tangasijabulile.
Chavulile. Talk to us.
Njayami. First half, I think we were not playing. And Mangboni lineup. I asked myself ukuthi ucoach uyenzani. I asked myself ukuthi ucoach uyenzani. Because if you notice mfethu, now we're expecting the standard to go high. I understand we have lost to Rile. I understand we have lost Abombogazi, but I think we have a gem with us. Yangithola sengabantu ababhaya. I think mfethu siqala slow. We're starting slow, and then if we continue like that, I was telling you Upod, I'm happy the way Pagani adlala ngakhona. But I think it's becoming a habit now. And if this thing continues, in fact, we're going to have problems. I think the way we used to start last season, let's continue with that way. But what I'm happy with, we won, in fact, in the important.
We're happy with the performance today.
Second half, I'm happy with it. But he wanted to touch me. I even saying at that point, I told you and Ghost the first time I saw him, M10-8. For you to play football, you don't have to have many touches, but the very most important thing is where you find yourself. Because that boy is playing a number 6 and he understands doesn't put on the tackles in the right space. And if you can notice, every second ball that boy is winning it, and we are going to keeper from our face to another face. Young Tol Tito gets connected, Dancing gets connected. Dancing doesn't mark because that boy we are is occupied there and then is connected. Yeah.
And then we heard our coach Ntanga mentioning the players that went to the World Cup, saying they need to catch a wake up. He dropped Moremi, he brought in Osuna Polisi, also Sibelebele was there as well. Of course, he said CBC and China have been performing well. Thoughts on the performance of the players that were called out, CBC and Osuna Polisi?
I think PhD like this season, I think he has been having a great season. And for me, as much as Siyama got the man of the match, CBC can get a defender of the season if he continues like this. Because if you can check, he's always the last man of defense. But when we need someone who could just defend, CBC is there. First half, that's why I'm telling you, I don't think we have played well. Because like cheaper, like we are just average. Because now they could come to us. There's this boy number 7. But CBC was always there for the rescue. To another clean sheet, I did tell you, Sunlight or anything. Please sponsor us or Arabe ambassador. I'm a clean sheet and no one will catch up with him. I'm telling you. Sipo, there's a save in the second half. I don't know one from those guys. They're cheap. What a good save. I think we were leading 2-0 if I'm not mistaken. To those guys are playing. But like about police, we understand. About police, we understand. Nala Babai, the World Cup. We understand. For me, I understand. I think the whole team hasn't been playing so well. We start slowing down. The way we should build up, especially first half, as Gladikrem. But every time when we're playing a second half, I think it's a Sugumisa because of why? Our subs we should always have. We have speedy players. Nabo Masilelas, Nabo Hositides, Nano Kapani Lungu, sharpshooter. And then Tito, if you can check, they connect. Travis scores 0.2. Young Tol, they connect every time with Tito Yakon Tolu Kampani Lungu. That game, even this game. Nale game le look up and I think last game la part uyashaya this a little flex. Tito Ntanga is vital for us. Abanye abantu ngeke bawubona umsebenzi kaTito but thina siyawubona.
Mr. Mlambo, we saw Nalembutuma being under huge amount of pressure from the fans saying that he needs to do better and not. Thoughts on his performance and how could you encourage the player as a former player yourself?
For me, to tell the truth, Mbutuma must do better. For me, that's my opinion. Yes, Mbutuma is doing a lot of running, he's giving the team pressing or what, but he must score. You always told me that about Skomota last season. I think like no ngiyayibona mfethu uyazi why ngikhala ngoMbuthuma kangaka. You always told me ukuthi uSkomota must score yangithola must score. I think uMbuthuma must score. Why? Mbuthuma always finds himself in good spaces. Even first half today ubonile he found himself in good space as much as they've said it's an offside and that was not an offside. Hit the target Ntanga. You know when you hit the target yenzani it boosts your confidence. Coming back to his social media you know amafene Pagani you can't do anything to them. You can't do anything because akwatile bazomthuka uMbuthuma and I saw uyabaphendula. Mina for me what I would tell him akasuke kancane ku social media Ntanga because izomkhabatha. Social media can make you and then break you and you know how Pagania fans are. We are passionate about football. It's not like you don't like players but Mbuthuma is not scoring Ntanga. Yangithola as much as he's giving it's him amazing isn't but he's not scoring. Mina ngithi akabeka ifone social media akayiswitch off. Akhulume with the close people yangithola and then coming back to performance yakhe Ntanga ikhulile this season but ithi goal alikho goal Ntanga iperformance yakhe I feel ngathi ikhulile compared to last season because uyavela Ntanga uMbuthuma uyavela makayina goal mfethu for me ngisaphinda nyasho akayele ayisini mfethu afile ukuthi kulanjwa kanjani akayele phezulu angino company lungu sibonile ukuthi uyakhona ukusigaya striking force asimbeke lapha yana sifaka boHositsile sifaka boMuremi because they've raised their hands ukuthi coach sikhona because uMbuthuma mina I think like mfethu sekayazi make egroundini ukuthi coach uzongifaka. I don't think like he's hungry ngaleyo ndlela because if he was hungry he is having an ability. I do believe that ukuthi ability khona but he's not hungry now. He's not hungry enough. He's playing for a big patch Ntanga. He must understand that and now he must keep humble and then keep on working. And by the way congrats Msendami. I'm happy Ntanga for Msendami.
I think Ghost was calling out from Msendami.
Yeah. Ngizwile noma ngena. I'm happy because I even told you ukuthi I feel ngathi Msendami on the preseason he has done well. That's why because now there was no pressure. And by the way last season if you can remember they said he lost Umntwana. Yangithola. As much as these people like they are soccer players, professional players, they belong to make us happy, but we must understand also they are human beings. Yangithola. I think he was going through a phase and that's like team enkulu. So pressure got too much good. At least when he started the season, akachahanga and no coach whatever he has done for this season. Ukuthi angamqalisi because ubonile last season akaqedanga grand wamfaka kancane. Today what happened? Made a press and those things he did them ngale Spain. Yangithola mega press azama ukuwina amabhola even today he got a press picked the spots went to the corner we celebrated and I'm happy to be a Pagania fan.
Last question Ntanga who stood out for you today?
Ntanga mina ngisasho uMkobodi umgeza ubebele one touch to touch man. Mina I told you Ntanga yabona guy player the way the guy traps. Yeah. I see ukuthi this one is a gem mfethu. Ubhekele yantona leya. If kune press always iba ibonda. Yangithola. If kunomuntu ozayo yabona iwindow iyalikhipha. Yes he might not be a man of the match. You see him man of the match nabo company lungu they were contenders nabo Sibisi. But for me he gives us shape le yantona leya because mayilapha ya Ntanga football is this. If in the middle of the park we are always occupied, you must understand we're always going to win a lot of second balls. You know why? Because it directs about Tito, it directs about Dancing. You didn't see Dancing marking. You didn't see us suffering not having the ball. Because of that boy is giving us everything. Mukobodi mina nyakupa put.
With Mapagania, Mr. Mlamos, man of the match, Mukobodi. I like to wish you